Hey, I'm Dorian, joined by my wife and celebrity menswear stylist, Ashley Weston.
Hey guys.
Today we're talking about a viewer question because it's been requested quite a few times recently, and they have asked, Ashley, Dorian, what shirts do I tuck in or leave untucked or do a half tuck in? Please, for the love of God, help me. I don't know what to do. So today we're going to answer that question.
But if you're not following us on Instagram, you are missing out. We post daily outfit inspiration photos, which is why actually we got this question today. It
came through Instagram.
Yeah, it came through Instagram. So please give us a follow. And if you have any questions, text or email us. The info's on the screen now.
So Ash, I'm going to start with the most casual of all shirts in the history of shirts, and that is a t-shirt. So should it be fully tucked, half tucked, or untucked?
So with a t-shirt, it's already a casual piece. So you can either have it fully untucked, or you can have it just like a little half tuck to add like a stylish touch to your outfit. But I would never fully tuck in a t-shirt. It just looks really frumpy and out of touch and kind of grandpa style.
Yes, it does.
So don't do that.
Next up is a polo shirt. Fully tucked in, half tucked, or untucked?
So I would treat a polo shirt kind of like a t-shirt. Definitely never have it fully tucked in. I prefer either untucked or a little half tuck. Although honestly with a polo shirt, I love a half tuck. I just think again, it just adds a really stylish, cool element to your outfit.
So Ash, with jeans, would you do a half tuck with a polo shirt as well, or does it matter?
It doesn't matter. Honestly, whatever pants you're wearing, it really doesn't matter if you want to choose untucked or a half tuck.
And next up, we've got a short sleeve button-up shirt. Should that be fully tucked, half tucked, or untucked?
Yeah, so again, you know, this is actually, I would say, a step up from the polo shirt in terms of just it feels a little bit more elevated. So you can do either of the three with this type of shirt. If you want your outfit to kind of look a little bit more polished, then I would say fully tucked. And then if you want it to look polished but still
Kinda
like a
casual.
little casual,
Yeah.
then a half tuck, which is just a slightly tucked in front, will look fantastic. And then if you just want it to look super casual and relaxed, then do it untucked.
And you have to be careful if you're gonna wear this type of shirt untucked, so we've got an article and video dedicated to how your shirts should fit. Okay, Ash, so the next one is kind of a combo because they're kind of the same. So we've got an Oxford button-down dress shirt and a linen shirt, a long sleeve linen shirt or short sleeve as well. Do you wear those fully tucked in, half tucked, or untucked?
Okay, so with a collared shirt like this, it's a little bit more dressed up, and I think that you can do either of the three. It just depends on the look you're going for, but honestly, any of the three are gonna look great. If you wanna go more dressed up, then fully tucked in is fantastic. But if you wanna go maybe a little step
Like
down.
the mid-level perhaps?
Yeah, like
would
the
you do
mid-level, you would do the half tuck where it's just tucked a little bit in the front. And then if you want to just go super casual, then just leave it completely untucked.
But obviously you need to make sure that it fits you properly and that it's gonna hit on the right part of your body because it looks really weird if it's too short or too long. Luckily for you, we've done a video, an article specifically about this. We'll link it in the description below. And lastly, Ash, guys, I'm sure you know what's about to come next. Dress shirts, should they be fully tucked in, half tucked, or untucked?
Dress shirts are formal and only deserve to be tucked in. Don't ever leave them untucked. Ugh, the guys that show up to the club in their dress shirts that are untucked with their jeans,
blazers and
it is so horrible. Never wear a dress shirt untucked and never wear it half tucked either. Again, a dress shirt is formal in nature and should be treated as such, which is why you want to always have it fully tucked in.
Okay guys, hope this was helpful. We've got videos and articles dedicated to how all of your clothing should fit, including every single one of these shirts actually. So check it out, it's linked in the description below. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.